Hello everyone, welcome to Nature Planet. Today we're going to observe and document weird ass animals. But today we're going directly into the lives of Ackembra. We're in the deep forest of Norway and we just boarded an Ackembra. Just 3 hours to find it, but we finally found one. It was around 20 meters from where we were standing. Actually, I'm from bubblegum because the store stole something from us when we were sleeping. Found something to eat. It just spotted some leaves. He's trying to start his hair as he can get some females. But that won't probably happen because he's a nasty one. Big bugs. See, I think that stone is where he's sleeping. He spotted us. Timer! God damn it! We escaped the Ackembra, and now we're going back home. Well, thanks for subscribing. Hello everyone, welcome to Nature Planet, where we observe and record weird ass animals. But today, we're going directly into the lives of Ackembra. We've been walking for 3 hours now, and we just observed an Ackembra. He's down there, doing some privacy. It's really hard to see because his camels like the forest. Trying to find a better spot to watch Ackembra. Seems like it's holding a tree. He's doing a very good job. Seems like I'm gonna try to get a closer clip from Ackembra. It seems like it's spotting us. If he doesn't stand still, then he will not find us.